This video is the fourth part of Basic English for Beginners. If you want to see first three parts, you will find the link in the description box. In this video, you will learn about the speech and parts of speech. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English from beginning in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Speech. Speech is the expression of ideas and thoughts by means of articulate vocal sounds, or the faculty of thus expressing ideas and thoughts. Different words combine and form a speech. Parts of speech. Different words that make a speech have different names. These words are called parts of speech. Parts of speech. 1. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, boy, house, park, book. 2. Pronoun. The word which is used to avoid the repetition of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, I, we, they, you. 3. Adjective. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. For example, he is a good and beautiful boy. In this sentence, good or beautiful are adjectives. 4. Verb. Any word expressing action, movement, or existence is called a verb. For example, musfirah will write a book for the company. In this sentence, write is a verb. 5. Adverb. An adverb qualifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. She wrote a book very slowly. In this sentence, slowly is an adverb. 6. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word which is used to connect words, phrases, or sentences together. For example, she wrote a book very slowly because of illness. In this sentence, because is a conjunction. 7. Interjection. An interjection is a word used merely to express some sudden feeling of the mind. For example, alas, he failed to achieve the gold medal in sport. In this sentence, alas is interjection. 8. Preposition. The preposition is a word which shows the position of one word with regard to another. For example, the grass cutter was kept against the fence. In this sentence, against is the preposition. Can you give more examples of preposition? Practice these parts by finding them in sentences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.